What does this even mean? Still the same harsh words. How could you write this?
He's gone, but you're still here with me.
The room feels larger, emptier, but then I'm still here.
Hello, my little one. Are you being shy today?
Smell floats her shoes slowly blowing her new bound bed. She's tired. She smells floats of oil and pulls her out of bed.
This New Balance feels interesting. Let's see how it goes on these stairs. No questions, just warmth. It's enough to get her through the door.
And pulls me out of bed. I tie my shoes slowly, learning my New Balance. On the stairs,
Miss Klein presses a warm roll into her palm. No questions, just warmth. It's enough to get her through the door. Leslie chews apples and rice, counting carefully to make sure I have just enough.
And when I was satisfied how the world keeps offering small kindnesses even when one person couldn't.